Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another massive gratis haul to share with you. It's really not that massive, but I got a lot of good things that I want to show you. And before I start pulling things out and using them and losing them, which is what I'll do, but before I go in, if you aren't familiar with what gratis is, it's essentially free products you get to educate yourself. It is quite the perk of working at, for myself, Sephora. A lot of retailers do it, especially in the beauty industry, to give their employees some products to use so they can speak to them personally, educate themselves, because you guys know there's nothing like using a product yourself to really get familiar with it. So I have the opportunity to try a lot of things. I really enjoy it. It is a great perk of working at Sephora, but it's definitely to educate ourselves. So that's the gist of that. Without talking too much, let's dive right in and see what I got. So the first thing I see is this Bobbi Brown. This is a highlighting powder in Pink Glow. Ooh, so pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's got kind of a marbled effect, like a whitish and a pinkish. I'm curious to see. I want to swatch it because, to be honest, I've not really used any Bobbi Brown highlighters. Look at that. That's really gorgeous. Okay, so very reflective in the light. I kind of like that because there's not a lot of color. Even right now, the one I have on is a little dark. Like, you can actually see the color, whereas this is just going to be reflective. I'm going to put a little bit of this over what I have on there. Ooh, really pretty. This one's really good for my skin tone too. Always room for more highlight, right? I'm really excited to play with this more, and I haven't used a lot of Bobbi Brown, so I love that I have the opportunity to. Next, I have the EULA Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it's got collagen, vitamin C in it. I've heard a lot of people really love this, and it's not crazy expensive. I want to say it's like around the $30 to $40 price range, which is not too bad for a high-end eye cream. So I'm excited to give it a try. I'm always on the hunt for a good eye cream because, honestly, my favorite one is the Mori Pacific Future Response, and it's $150. I want to buy it, but my wallet says why? And I do have a lot of eye creams here, so I can't really justify it, but man, I love that one. Maybe this will be a good dupe. Next, I have the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. So this is what the container looks like. Ooh, what is this? This is kind of cool. So it actually comes with like a little sponge. I'm trying to open it without making a massive mess. Oh, and this one also has like that net that a lot of people have been doing. I know that Becca has one, Tart has one that have like that little net that you press into. So I'm gonna put this back for now. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it right now, getting into the cooler months with it being more matte. So I may kind of put this to the side and save it when it gets warm again, even though that's gonna be a while. I have a lot of setting powder, so we can wait. I also got the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. So this is like an extension of their peach collection. I tried the scrub in store, but I haven't really tried the balm. Smells good. It's like a light peachy scent, so we're gonna try that out and see if it's any good. I have the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip. So I know that they did a little reformulation very recently. This one says it's for all skin types with French green clay and rice oil esters. Ooh. It says it's a gentle plant-based cleanser, pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean, radiant complexion. That sounds like it's right up my alley, so I'm excited to give that a try. Another skincare item I'm really excited about, I feel very lucky that I got this, is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Essence Treatment. I was so on the borderline of actually picking this up. I wanted to try it so bad, and I've really been getting into essences. I know that this one is like an anti-pollution, and I think you can also use this as kind of like a micellar cleanse as well, if I'm not mistaken. Anti-pollution and age delay. Hey, that sounds like what I need. I got a mini Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. I actually really like this. I think I completely went through the one that I had. I think I emptied the full size out. So I'm glad to have a mini. I got from Grande Cosmetics the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. So I did try this out, and I will admit I had some irritation the first day, but I think I used too much. So I took a few days off, and I have like a mini already. So I'm going to go back to using it and hopefully try not to use too much again. I got from Way the volumizing hairspray, and I actually just ran out of hairspray, and I use it so infrequently that I never buy that I never buy hairspray. So this is really cool that I got one just in time. And I think the one I had was actually volumizing from like Suave or something. I think I got it from Influencer like 2 years ago, and I've just now run out to give you some estimates. We'll have to try it out and see. I want to see if it smells like, I put some memory mist when I curled my hair. Ooh, this smells good. I like the way this smells better. I know a lot of people like the scent of like the memory mist. I don't really care for it, so this smells pretty good. Maybe it'll help keep in my little wavy curl. I also got from Drunk Elephant the Shaba Complex Eye Serum. So this is smoothing and hydrating with copper peptides. And I love the little twist. This keeps it nice and clean. It's a satiny eye serum formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle major signs of aging under and around the eyes, such as fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage. Ooh, again, I need. I'm obsessed with getting eye products, so happy to have that. Oh, I have a Bobbi Brown lipstick as well. This is the Luxe Lip Color in Soft Berry. First, let's take a little second to look at the packaging. So beautiful, definitely Luxe. And this looks like a gorgeous color too. That's what it looks like. Ooh, one swipe color. She looks good. That's definitely like a me color. It's like pinkish, but still nice for the fall and winter, of course. So I'm really excited to try that out. I'm sure the formula will be amazing. I also got from Milk the Blur Liquid Foundation. So it's a matte foundation, shake well, and I got the shade Creme. So that's what it looks like. I was able to pick this shade, and it was the closest. It's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty dang close. So I am pretty excited to try out the Milk Foundation. I've heard some good things about it, and hopefully I will like it too. I got a couple packs of the Vitamin Nectar Vitamin C Glow Powder. So it's a foaming facial. Oh, so you open both packets. So I got like 3 of those to try out. Excited. I love fresh skincare. I also got from Drunk Elephant the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream in a little mini. So that's exciting. I got from Marc Jacobs the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in Blacker, which is just their black shade. Really excited to have this. It's a great pencil. I love this one. And the waterline is just like a rich, rich black. So we're going to leave this put to the side, and I need to go through my eyeliners again because I swear every time I pull one out, like it's dry or I don't love the formula that much or something. I also got from Fenty Beauty, so excited, it's the Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncuffed, and out of all the shades, this was really the only one that screamed like I need this. I do love the red, however, the red's gorgeous, but from the new shades, I really could just like completely do without the others, but I love this one, so lucky to have this, and I'm gonna swatch it. Some people don't love this formula because it's kind of liquidy, but I'm gonna be honest, I really like it because it takes so little. This was just like a little 1-2 swipe. So little to cover such a large area, so you can really spread it thin and it feels light as air on the lips. It's so unlike a lot of other liquid lipsticks that feel heavy or feel thick and they start to like line and crust, and I don't like that. So this, I'm really excited. Like, this is the color I wanted, so I couldn't be happier to get that. I also got from Bite the Agave Lip Mask. I think this is just the original. There's one I really wanted to try. I think the Maple. I may have to pick that one up too. So yay. I'm really excited to have this. This is a great like nourishing treatment for the lips. I got from First Aid Beauty the Kona Eye Stick. So this is like a hydrating stick form. I was actually intrigued to try this. It's got like a little shimmer to it, it looks like, but you can't really see it when it goes on. And it feels very like cooling and hydrating. And I feel like touching up throughout the day, giving like a little extra hydration would be great, but it seems to kind of like smooth as well. It almost looks like it primed and hydrated the area. So I don't know. I'm excited to try this out and learn more about it because I don't know a lot of details. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot. I got from Murad the Revitalixer Recovery Serum. Really excited to try this, and look at those beads. It looks so cool. So I think those are like encapsulated ingredients in there. It says it's a revitalizing sphere-infused serum, visibly re-energizes skin, smooths stress lines, and renews vibrancy. AM and PM massage gently over face, neck, and chest. Gently pat around the eyes. Oh, you can use it on the eye area too. So I'm really excited to give this a shot. I do love a lot of Murad products. Their retinol serum I think is one of the best. I love that one, and I love Sunday Riley. I've seen differences in that already. And the last two things are both from Kat Von D. So I got a Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Vampira. This is a great winter shade. It's like that rich winter berry shade right there, like a berry red. And then the Dagger Liner, I have not tried, and I feel like they're coming out with so many eyeliners that like I'm not even intrigued. There's just like too many. And I love tattoo liner, and I like ink liner. So I don't really need anything else. We'll see. Maybe this one will blow me away and I'll eat those words. But this is the one that's got like a little slanted kind of tip to it. And let's see. It looks nice. It looks black, you know. It looks like it could be really good. There's a little twofer swatch there. They're just coming out with a lot of liners, and I think they're coming out with another one too. So I don't know. The packaging is pretty cool though. It's got like a little dagger design on it. So yeah, two things from Kat Von D. They are always really generous, so thank you. And I am really, really grateful to get all of these things and be able to test them out. And honestly, it gives me more stuff to show you guys, so it helps me in a lot of ways. I don't want to sound like I'm complaining or anything like that, because I really enjoy getting these. I got some really great lip colors too, so I'm so excited to try these things out. If you see anything that you're very curious about, leave that in the comments below, and I can try it out further, let you know more, whether it be in a video, Instagram, whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm trying to hit 10,000 by my birthday. I don't know if we can do it. I've got a month and a half, and it's like 500 people, so I don't know if I can do it. But tell your friends, your cousins, your cat, whatever, tell them to subscribe. I would love to have you all here in my little family, and thank you again for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.